Hi, so in this video we're going to see how to use the canned response feature in Gmail. So let's get started. So here I am in my inbox. So I'm going to go to the gear icon, which is the settings on the top right, and then choose settings from the gear icon. And then in the settings screen I'm going to choose advanced. And down here in the list of features, I'll see canned responses templates. And right now it's disabled, so I'm going to enable it. And like I do with all my changes on my settings, I have to save the changes. So I'll click Save Changes here. And this will bring me back to my inbox screen with the new settings. So the next step is that I'm going to compose a new message. Just for this particular instance, I'm going to write a test message to my personal email. I'm going to call it a test. And I'm just going to write a simple text. Hi Riaz, thanks for your mail. And then down here at the bottom where the three dots are, I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose canned responses, and I'm going to choose new canned response. And I'm going to name this new canned response as response for Riaz. Click OK. And then this test message I can just simply delete it because I've already saved my canned response, so I'm going to delete it. And so next is when I receive an email from my personal account, let's say this one, Riaz Shahid, an easy and quick way to grade books. So I'm going to open this, and when I choose reply from the screen here, and again down here at the bottom where the three dots are, I'm going to click here and then go to canned responses, and I'll see that my response, which I had just saved as a canned response for Riaz, is there. I'm going to choose that, and then it's going to bring up what I've just saved as a text in my canned response. So this is how basically you can create a canned response, which could be very useful for all those standardized questions and queries that you receive from different parents or teachers from time to time, and you have a standard set of replies. You can use this canned response feature that will save you a lot of time and make the whole emailing experience far more efficient. Thank you for watching this video. Please do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.